Hi, this is Joe. I'm here with our patient, Mr. Winter. And Mr. Winter came to us back in November with a pretty severe traumatic injury to his right index and middle finger. He came to us same day, and we got him right in. He's here to tell you his experience prior to seeing Dr. Cohen and what brought him here.
Well, I injured my two fingers, and I went to the local trauma center by my office, and they sat there for about 4 hours, and they took some x-rays, and they basically said that the tips of the fingers were dead skin, and the fingers were going to have to be just shorter, and to go see a plastic surgeon the next day. And I didn't feel that was right, so I started looking, and I found Dr. Cohen, and Dr. Cohen was gracious enough to see me the same day and stay late and did magic. It's amazing. The fingers can bend, and everything works, and I can feel stuff, and the nails are growing back after just 70 days, and his technique of keeping the nail cavity open and everything is just amazing. I mean, it's just been an amazing process.
Awesome. So when Noah came in, it was this finger, correct?
Correct.
Was basically hanging off, and this one had some traumatic injury as well. The trauma center he went to was a very high-end trauma center, which was very shocking when he came in and said that. But here he is, just over 2 months out, completely nail beds are intact. Dr. Cohen uses a technique where he actually makes a fake nail to keep that bed intact so the nail can grow up as opposed to the skin growing over. So how do you feel?
Great. I mean, I never thought it would be this good.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Mr. Winter.
Thank you, Dr. Cohen.